Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one. Lower lows and lower highs, and the downtrend here continues, and updates certainly need to be made. First key thing I'm going to do here is just actually a little bit of a house cleaning move and just get rid of that. Yeah, that level still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, that $3.20 mark, was the ideal level of support. But now that the price has broken down below there, which occurred right there, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook because that is exactly what happened. Not once, but twice. Price tried to get up above that level and couldn't quite do it. So I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get up above 320. I'm just saying that it makes sense why the price did struggle at that area, and that moving forward, if there is any sort of, continuation of this little miniature bounce here, then it's all about, whether or not the price can actually get up through and stay above 320, which, don't get me wrong, would be a good step in the right direction. But even at that point, there's still a whole lot more work that needs to be done as that next bit of quote-unquote work, all about the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which I know I've talked about in past videos, but it still remains very, very relevant because as you're seeing here, it's also got a track record of rejecting the price, but one hurdle at a time, and like I said, that first key hurdle at 320. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here, just a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today? Where did the price just stop going down? And that was $2.90. So for that simple logic, and that alone is going to be why that area is the main level of support here headed into Friday. So let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.